Okay, we're out in the yard, and these little guys here are growing up all over the place. I mean, that's the yard is full of them, all the way out and around. And by the way, look at this. This is cute. It's got a little papoose in that little hole there. This is the rose plant you wanted to see. This is the rose first. This thing needs to be deadheaded and cleaned up. I was saying the forest is starting to take over. I mean, it's I know, in and out, in and out. What am I doing? It's pretty gnarly. They got a plant here growing. I don't know what that is. Kind of an elephant ear kind of thing going. Ugh, my arm hurts. Too much painting, scrubbing, and washing walls and so forth today. 7 hours of scrubbing. Here's the structure. Now that opening right there is 10 feet wide and 10 feet high. It's pretty big. As you can see, the cement trucks, when they came in, they had a hell of a time too. But this stuff here is like a rock. I mean, I hope this guy's tractor's strong, because they've let it go long enough now where it's hard. Got a little apron. Now we're inside the structure. This is a pole barn. As you can see, here's the pole. That's pretty good size. It's a 6x6. This is the drop off back here. This is the Beauregards couldn't figure out how to cut a tree down. They tried pushing that one over. As you know, it's quite cute. We'll have to cut that down ourselves. We got this other piece here and another one down there. It's a pretty good sized dam opening. I don't know what that says. Quality Trust LLC. Yeah, it's fairly large. Concrete looks like it's pretty well hardened up. My pile of crap continues to be a pain in the butt. Look at this big old slab of concrete, dorks. Look at all that. Eesh, that's nasty. Neighbors are going to think we're slobs. Kind of hard to yeah, I can't even show you. It's pretty bad. It's deep. I don't even know if a lawnmower could do this now. In the forest, of course. Let's go over here onto our patio. We haven't been on this patio in a few days. Ow. Phew. The arm is killing me. No. So now we're in the forest. The Janny Forest. It is definitely very dark back here. And there's the garage. And my little trailer. And my pile of shit. Kind of hard to get a grip of these trees. But if you can, think about this. You gotta figure out where to put a garden. Because there ain't much sun here. Not much sun at all. There you go. There's your forest. Oh, wait a minute. There's something I want to... Maybe one of you two or three people can identify this. See these damn little tree things growing everywhere. What are they? I need to know. They're little trees. Sorry. Now this is interesting. I was almost afraid it was leaves of 3, but it isn't. So it's a little patch here, and I'm not sure what they are, but they aren't leaves of 3. See, they are 4, so they're not poison. I don't know what this is, but there's a clump of it growing back here. And we still haven't had time to come out and clean this booger. This is the... Oh, little mosquitoes. Trying to suck my blood. Little bastards. Alright, we're retreating. We're gonna retreat. Back into the house. Mosquitoes everywhere. Run for it. You're gonna get eaten alive. And we'll end at that note.